G'day, I'm Jacob from Make Science Fun. Thanks for joining me. Now, about a week ago, this critter came up on my Instagram feed, Squeakee. And I don't buy a lot of toys, although I do buy some. But when I saw the video of it and some of the movements and that sort of thing, I was intrigued. And I thought, I've got to get one and I've got to find out what's inside and how does he work. And so I bought one and it delivered. And how about we open it up and we'll have a look at Squeakee. This is not an unboxing video, so I might just clap my hands and let the magic happen. Here we go. Ta-da! Squeakee! Squeakee is out of the box. Let's move the drill away. We'll use him later on. But let's have a look at Squeakee. Ooh, he weighs about 1 kilogram. He feels quite sturdy. His tail's got a little bit of a wobble on it, and he's got a little wobbly tail here. The head moves. It looks like the whole head is, I don't know, there's a bit of a wobble in the ears and a bit of a wobble in the nose there and the mouth, and the legs move. Now I'll put some batteries in him already, and so let's turn the power on and see what happens. Woof, woof. What do you do? I know. I think you have to squeak this. What will he do? Sits down. How good's that? I think then lies down. I think he's got some sensors or something near his mouth. Oh, he likes that. Hey? Oh, he's sort of begging. What about 2 squeaks? Oh, so he's obviously got a microphone in him. What about 3 squeaks? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you gonna do anything else? Oh, and up he gets. I like that. Now, here's a pin, and I might. Oh, how about I press that pin and I burst him? Whoa! Oh dear! No dear! He's deflated. But look at this! Look at this! Look at this! He gets. Oh, shall I rub your tummy? Oh! What are you doing? How about I rub your tummy? Huh? You like that? How does he work? What's on the inside? Let me show you something else. I put the bottle in his mouth. We quite like this. Is he going to eat? Can you have a drink? What's happening now? What's he going to do? Oh! I don't know. Can you see that bit of yellow? He's doing a wee. What about if I do it once more? If I go like this. Drink, 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 drink. Have a look. What's he going to do now? What are you going to do? Oh! He's doing a fart! Oh, that's terrible. Okay. Woo! So, definitely my favourite bit of all was when he gets popped. Whoa! Oh, let's pop him. Definitely my favourite. Oh! Wait, oh! And my favourite bit is when he actually gets up. Look at this. The way that he gets up, the way that... Look at that! Oh, get back up. But the big question is, what's inside? What are the motors? What's the circuitry? What is happening in here? So how about we pull him apart? Okay, so how do we do that? Well, how do we do that? There are some, I'll get some tools. Oh, I've got some tools now. And you know what? There are actually not that many visible screws around, but there are actually some little they look like plugs. And so I might try and remove those little plugs and see if there's any screws under those plugs. Let's find out, shall we? So here's a thing that looks like a plug. If I put my knife in, there. There is some type of plug here. Oh, what about this screwdriver here to wedge it open? Ah, hey, hello. Yes, yes. So, see that? There's a plug hole there now. And there's a little screw. There we go. Oh, you're noisy. Let's pop. Oh, there we go. Another little plug. Well built to hide the screws. That's really quite good. I like that. Very, very good indeed. Come on now. Oh, there's the third one. Oh, don't put your legs in the way of the plug holes. Move. Oh, my hand's jammed. Oh, there goes the fourth one. Well, there's actually quite a few around. There's one on his butt. Oh, oh. So here we go. I think he's actually going to come apart quite well. Oh, I was pushing down and he was drinking then. There's another one. This one's really hard to get out. I might try and drill it out. What do you think? Aha! Got it. Alright, so this won't hurt a bit. Let's undo this screw. See what happens. Screw number one. Screw number two. What about the back of him? Three. Oh, this reminds me of the time I took a Furby apart. I'll link him in the description. But it was amazing. I took him apart when he was like still alive, and it was a bit freaky actually. He just kept like squeaking and squealing the whole time. Okay, alright, so this is his butt. The screw's coming out of his butt here. Another one, another screw. Ah, it's squeezing my hand. It's like he's getting revenge on me. Oh, oh, oh. His butt just fell off. Okay, so there's something white there. Alright, some type of plastic formwork, I guess. Okay, time to take his underside off. Shall we call it his belly? We're going to take his belly off. Let's see. You still with us? Hello? Yeah, okay, alright. Thought I'd maybe injured him, but nah. He's alright. He's okay. He's okay. Don't you hurt my legs again. Don't you hurt my hand again, please. That was not very nice. Okay, so his belly is coming off. This is belly good. You like this? It tickles? Yeah, does it tickle? Woohoo! Oh, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Needs a little bit of encouragement. Okay. Hey! Whoa! Oh! Look at that! Look at that! This is the sensor for the. Oh! Let go of my hand. This is the sensor for the patting. So I don't think you'll like that very much. I might just leave that dangling like that. All right, let's take off the front of him. Oh, he's got my hand again. He's still alive. There's a lot of screw holes there, that's for sure. Here he comes. That piece of plastic's on. Oh, I can see little the speaker. Now, all right, okay. Now let's take some screws out on his underside. One. It's got some really good circuitry in here, I'll tell you. Very compact. I love well-built toys. nothing like a well-built toy, and this is a well-built toy. Put together well. And I love a toy that you're not sure how it works either. They're my favourite too, I must admit. So is the top going to come off, or is the bottom going to drop out? That's my question. But whenever I pull apart things, I always just get rid of as many screws as I possibly can. It's okay, I'm looking after you. I'm more a dog person than a cat person, no, that's for sure. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Oh, now he's in trouble. Oh! Oh! He's doing the same sound over and over. I think maybe he feels like I think maybe he knows what's happened to him. Hey? Could that be right? You okay? Hello? Oh. That's good. Thought he was in trouble for a minute then. Oh, let me clear up this desk a little bit. Whoa. There we go. Sweep the desk. Oh, okay. How do I get this off? How do I remove his head? I can't see any screw holes. I don't want to break. Oh, I see some more plugs. Never felt better. There's one plug. Take off his mouth. And, I see a little switch. And, that's a little microphone, I think. A little switch and a little microphone. What's the microphone look like? Oh, yep. Tiny little microphone right there. And the switch. Little touch switch. Oh yeah, now you can drink. Okay, so they're the sensors. Oh look, he thinks he's doing a whoa. Okay, whoa. There goes another piece. So, if you have a look at the legs are controlled by the one motor here, right? The one motor. And so each leg does exactly the same thing when it moves. Look at that. Hello, Mr. Squeakee. Not feeling so good now, are you? Let's see the gearing in this thing. Hey! Oh! Nice! Nice. Look at this. Nice set of bevel gears, nicely put together. That's how he works. Now I know how he works. And so there's a bit of a reduction gearbox in there. There's a reduction gearbox. Yes. And then there's a gear that goes onto the bevel gears. Yeah. Nicely done. Moose Toys. My biggest question was how does it actually move the legs? And now I know how it moves the legs. So what's inside Squeakee? Well, there's a press button to feed in. There's a microphone here to hear the squeak. Then the batteries are in his front legs. There's a circuit board with the brains of the operation there. There's a touchpad to detect him getting patted. You like that, don't you? You like being patted. There's another touch switch to deflate him. Woo. Then the key thing is that there's two motors, one on the front, one on the back. Ow! One on the front, one on the back. and they independently control two bevel gears which are in contact with each other, and the front legs and the rear legs can do their own thing. So now we know what is in Squeakee. Yay! Thank you, everybody. All right. One last bite. Bye-bye. Say goodbye to Squeakee. Bye-bye, Squeakee. We love you, Squeakee. Okay. All right. So, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed finding about what's inside Squeakee. Very well built. Very good toy. I'm not getting sponsored for this video. But, you know, credit where credit deserves. This is actually a really good toy with some very interesting engineering. Quite robust. Very, very robust. Well built. A good toy that I think will be fairly iconic as well. Squeakee, the red balloon dog toy. And it's over for me. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now.